Here's the smooth shape morphing effect we'll create in After Effects. Start by creating a new composition with a 1920 by 1080 resolution. Select the star tool and draw a star shape. Align it to the center of the composition. Hold Ctrl or Command for Mac and hit the Pan Behind tool to center the anchor point. Now, use the Ellipse tool to create a circle. Align it to the center as well, and use the Pan Behind tool to center the anchor point. Convert both shapes to Bezier paths by selecting their path properties. Set a keyframe for both star and ellipse shapes at the start of the timeline, then move 1 second forward. Copy the star's first keyframe and paste it onto the ellipse layer at the 1 second mark. Now delete the star layer. Copy the first keyframe of the ellipse, move to the 2 second mark, and paste it there. This will make the shape morph back from a star to a circle. Select all the keyframes, right-click, and apply Easy Ease to smooth out the animation. Here's the final morph animation. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more After Effects tutorials.